Good evening everyone. In this video I am taking exercise 3.6 question number 1, and the question is solve the following pair of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. It means first target is to reduce these two given equations in linear equation of two variable. Then we can use any method to solve these equations. We have already discussed the method to solve linear equations: elimination, substitution and cross multiplication. It is of your choice, you can use any method. Let's start the first question. First part, equation is 1 over 2x plus 1 over 3y is equal to 2. Another equation is 1 over 3x plus 1 over 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Now how we will reduce these two equations into linear equation? We do a variable. Let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b, right? See this 1 by 2x, this can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x, right? And here I am taking this x as a, so it will become a by 2, right? 1 by 2 into a. In the same way, this 1 over 3y, 1 over 3y can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by y. Now I am taking this 1 by y as b, so it will become 1 by 3 into b is equal to b by 3. So this first equation will become a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 2 by 1. In the same way, this will become a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now take LCM. 6 is the LCM. It will become 3a plus 2b. Now cross multiply. 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. First equation. Then LCM 6. And here also 13 by 6. This will become 2a plus 3b (6 and 6). These two are denominator, cancel these terms. This will become 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Second equation. Now we can use any method to solve these two equations. I am using here elimination method. See here, coefficient of a is 3 and here it is 2. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So this will become 6a plus 4b is equal to 24, right? And this will become multiply by 3, 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. Then subtract, positive negative cancel. This will become minus 5b is equal to minus 15. b is equal to minus 15 upon minus 5. b is equal to 3. Right? Then putting value of b in equation 1. So this will become 3a plus 2, b is 3 is equal to 12. 3a plus 6 is equal to 12. 3a is equal to 12 minus 6. Then a is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Now we have a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Now see, what is a? It is 1 by x, b is 1 by y. Then cross multiply. 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. In the same way, here cross multiply. 3y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 by 3. See the complete solution. I am giving you 1 minute. Now come to sixth part. We have two equations, 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Now see how we will reduce these two equations into linear equation with two variables. See here we have on right hand side xy, dividing both sides by xy. Same step we will follow here, dividing both sides by xy. Then these xy cancel. Here it will become 6x over xy plus 3y over xy is equal to 6. 2x over xy plus 4y over xy, xy cancel, is equal to 5 by 1, x and x cancel, y and y cancel. Here x cancel, y cancel. This will become 6 over y plus 3 over x is equal to 6 by 1. 2 over y plus 4 over x is equal to 5 by 1. Then let 1 over y is equal to a and 1 over x is equal to b. If 1 over y is equal to a, it means 6 over y will become 6a. This 3 by x will become 3b is equal to 6. Give it name equation 1. Same way here, this will become 2a, then 4b is equal to 5, equation 2, right? Here we have coefficient of x 6 and here we have coefficient of a. Here 6 and here coefficient of a is 2. So to make coefficients of a equal, multiply equation 2 by 3. Then what we will get? It will become 6a plus 12b is equal to 15. Right? Then subtracting equation 1 from 2. Minus 3, 9b is equal to 9. Then b is equal to 9 by 9. B is equal to 1. Then putting value of a in equation 1. Sorry, value of b. 6a plus 3b is equal to 6. 6a is equal to 6 minus 3. 3 ones are 3. This 3 will become negative on right hand side. A is equal to 3 by 6. Then a is equal to 1 by 2. Now what is a here? 1 over y is equal to 1 by 2. And what is b here? We have value of b 1. It means 1 by x is equal to 1. Now cross multiply. Y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. This will be our answer. See the complete solution of this question. Now come to 8th part of this question. See, we have 1 over 3x plus y. I am putting here, let 1 over 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 over 3x minus y is equal to b. So this will become a plus b is equal to 3 by 4, right? And this 1 over 3x plus y, this will become a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now LCM, cross multiply. Here we have 1 on denominator, so cross multiply, this will become 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Equation 1. Here LCM is 2. This will become a minus b. Right? Then cross multiply. 8a minus 8b is equal to minus 2. We can take common among these three terms. Oh, sorry. We can take common between these two terms is, we can take 2 outside. 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 2. So this will become 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 2 by 2. So it is 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Equation 2. Right? Now we have coefficient of a here 4 and here also coefficient of a is 4. So here also I am using elimination method. Subtracting 2 from 1. 4b plus 4b it is 8b is equal to 4. B is equal to 4 by 8 and b is equal to 1 by 2. Then putting this value of b in equation 1, then 4a plus 4b, b is 1 by 2 is equal to 3. 4a is equal to 3 minus 2, a is equal to 1 by 4. Now see here, what is a? A is 1 over 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. And what is b? Here b is 1 by 2 and actually b is 1 over 3x plus y. Sorry, 1 over 3x minus y. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Give it name equation 3. This as 4. To find value of x and y, again I will use here elimination method. Subtracting equation 4 from 3. Positive negative cancel. So y plus y, 2y is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1, right? Then putting value of y in equation 3, then 3x plus y is 1 is equal to 4. Positive 1 on right hand side negative. So 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 3. X is equal to 1. So answer is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This will be your answer. And you can see solution of remaining part in my description box. I am providing you a link. Right? See the complete solution of this question.